Weekends here and we're off to beautiful Kalba. Fun World Boats just opened their third branch here. Perfect time to check it out. They picked the best spot right next to Starbucks and Kalba Waterfront Mall with mountain views and plenty of parking. Super easy to find. Prices start at 100 dirhams for 3 people and 130 for 5 for 30 minutes of fun. Boats are clean, staff is friendly and safety is all taken care of with life jackets and rescue boats. You get to drive your own boat, enjoy music with Bluetooth speakers and take in the amazing views. Even kids can try it, it's that easy and fun. Don't miss out, head to Fun World Boats and Kalba this weekend.